Welcome back to our channel. Today we're transforming small backyards into cozy retreats with some fantastic covered patio ideas. If you're looking to maximize your outdoor space while staying protected from the elements, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, let's define your patio space. In smaller backyards, it's essential to make every inch count. Think about the layout. Will your patio be an extension of your living area or a secluded getaway? Use outdoor rugs to delineate the space and create a cozy atmosphere. A well-defined area not only looks inviting, but also feels more functional. Next, let's talk about cover. Stylish canopies can transform your small patio into a shaded oasis. Consider options like retractable awnings, fabric canopies, or even a simple pergola draped with outdoor fabric for a breezy feel. These not only provide shade, but can also add a splash of color and style to your outdoor decor. When it comes to furniture, choose pieces that are both stylish and space-saving. Look for multifunctional items like benches with storage or foldable chairs that can be tucked away when not in use. Don't forget to add cozy cushions and throws for comfort. A few well-placed pillows can really enhance your patio's vibe. Now let's bring in some greenery. Plants can add life to your patio. Consider vertical gardens, hanging planters, or even small potted herbs that can double as cooking ingredients. And don't shy away from decor. String lights, lanterns, and colorful artwork can elevate your space and make it feel warm and inviting, especially in the evening. Speaking of evening ambiance, let's talk lighting. Good lighting is key for those summer nights. Use fairy lights, solar-powered lanterns, or even a small table lamp to create a cozy atmosphere. Not only does lighting enhance the decor, but it also makes your space usable long after the sun goes down. And there you have it, our top small backyard covered patio ideas. With the right planning and decor, you can create a stunning outdoor space that feels like an extension of your home. If you enjoyed these tips, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor inspiration. Share your patio ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.